Here we have an example of solving this system with initial conditions here. X0 is 0, Y0 is 1, X prime 2Y prime plus X equals 0, X prime minus Y prime plus Y equals 0. This method can work for if we have S double prime here, for example. Still work. You Laplace transform both sides of the equation. We could have Laplace transform of this one equal to Laplace transform of 0, which is 0. So Laplace transform X prime 2 times Laplace transform Y prime, Laplace transform of X equal to 0. Similar for the second equation. And let denote big X, the Laplace transform of X, big Y Laplace transform of Y, and we use the Laplace transform of derivative. So Laplace transform of F prime is S times big F minus F of 0. So Laplace transform of X prime is S times big X minus X0. So S times big X minus X0 is Laplace transform of X prime. Similar, you have Laplace transform of Y prime, S minus Y, S times Y minus Y at 0. Laplace transform of X is just X, and you do the same for the second equation. Laplace transform of X prime, Sx minus X0, Sy minus Y0, and Y. We group that with X, so S times X plus X, so S plus 1 times X, 2 times S times Y. Initial conditions tell us that this on X0 is 0, Y0 is 1, minus 0, plus 2 times 1, plus 2 times minus 1. So that's the first equation. The second one is S times X minus S times Y plus Y. So minus S plus 1 times Y minus 0 and plus 1. So with this, we'll bring all these numbers to the other side. We could have this system. And now the idea is to solve for X and Y. And then small x, small y, just inverse transform of big X and big Y. Here we need to solve this system equation. So you think of S as a parameter. So write down the coefficient matrix. S plus 1, 2S, 2. S minus S plus 1, minus 1. And then do Gaussian reduction. You will reduce all of this. And you get Y equal to this. Yeah, try to eliminate all of this. 0, you get Y. Y equal to this term. So Y equal to this terms. Y, small y would be inverse transform of big Y. So inverse transform of this. Using the table. Inverse transform S over S minus 1. So cosine hyperbolic, cosine here. And we have inverse transform of this. Would be sine hyperbolic of d over root 3. So, and that is for big Y, and you do the same for big X. And therefore, this is big X equal to this. And this gives us small x is something times sine hyperbolic. So this one gives us the system, the solution of the system.